Hello, my name is John Lee, and I'm the president of Alpha Training and Consulting, and I have a great passion for preparing students for ASQ certification exams. But what we're talking about today is we're going to answer the question, what is the CQI body of knowledge? CQI, Certified Quality Inspector, a wonderful certification. So if you're considering that, I'd really encourage you to do that. It's a great exam. It's not an easy exam, but it's a great certification to have. Now, they break their body of knowledge into four categories. Technical mathematics, which is one of the more difficult chapters of the body of knowledge for most students. And they give you 19 questions on technical mathematics. Metrology, they give you 26 questions. Inspection and testing, they give you 33 questions. That's the big hitter, isn't it? Quality assurance, 22. And 10 beta questions. Beta questions are questions that ASQ has had written, and they are going to put those in the test environment in your test. You won't know which ones they are, but if you miss them, they don't count against you. But if you get them right, they don't help you either. They're just testing them. They're seeing what the pass rate is on the question. I'm assuming they are anyway. Maybe how much time it takes. They'll see if anyone complains about the questions. And if everything looks good, they'll put them in other tests in the future. Now, this is a 4.5-hour exam, 110 questions total, so that means you have 2 minutes and 27 seconds per question. Now, for an ASQ exam, that's quite a bit of time. They usually give you under 2 minutes. So that's good, but some of these questions are very difficult, so don't think you can do this easily. You have to be well organized, understand the information real well so that you don't run into problems with time. And let's look. This bar chart tells you the same thing as the table, just a little more graphical. As you can see, the big hitter is inspection and testing. Second biggest is metrology. There's the technical mathematics. It's a smaller section, but it's one of the reasons people fail the exam. It's one that people tend to struggle with more. All right, here's the link to the ASQ website in case you want to go look at these from their site and maybe learn a little more information. Now, this may be even more helpful to you. This is the class I put together to prepare you for the ASQ certification exam, CQI exam. Notice I have all the titles and how much time is spent on each of those in my lecture. Then that doesn't cover 100% of the body of knowledge. So then I go over also the Indiana Quality Council primer, which is part of my class, and I lecture on each of those chapters. Okay? And you can see which one is most difficult for the students because that's the one I spend the most time on. So chapter 2, you can see I spend 1 hour and 12 minutes on that one. It's a very difficult element of the body of knowledge. Okay, so that's how we cover the whole body of knowledge. Then I give you some practice exams. So if you'd like me to send you a copy of this, just let me know. I'll send you a copy also. All right, thank you for joining me in this video. Hopefully it helped you out. And again, I greatly encourage you to prepare for the CQI certification. Great certification. If you have any questions, let me know. I've been working on these certification classes for over 20 years. I have a great class for you, and I'd be very honored to join you in your ASQ certification journey. There's my contact information. I hope to hear from you soon. Thank you, and have a great day. Goodbye.